What is a squirting cucumber? Yeah, it's a plant that squirts at you. It explodes when it is touched. The ripe plants, of course, will do that. So let us, instead of talking, doing it. I will try to find a ripe plant and press it. No, this is not ripe. I may be able to find a ripe plant here. I'm touching it. No. No. Oh, that was ripe! Squirted on me. When they squirt, it means they're dying. It fell. It practically killed itself. I know. I want to do another one. It's fun. Oh, again. That's how it is. It's a funny plant. I may grow it just for the joke, for the sake of it. Oh, I love that. Let me take a few of these just for the seed. Very ripe ones. Take a few for the sake of the seed. Oh, another one squirted at me when I was collecting it. Squirting seed. So as you see, they have squirted already. So if you want to have a few, you have to get more than, because they get rid of the seed very easy. If I'm lucky, I may end up with some seeds in them.